How to install face recognition in Turnstile gate. Firstly, mark out the hole position. Then drill the hole by drilling machine. The hole diameter needs to match with the face recognition stand. Now we can install the face recognition stand on the turnstile top cover. Ensure that the rubber gasket is on top for waterproofing purposes, especially for outdoor use. The hole fits for the stand very well. Tighten the screws so that face recognition won't shake. Connect the network cable for computer. Then connect power supply cable. Now power supply cable is OK, and network cable is OK. Also the gate opening signal cable connect with the gate main controller. After the connection of cables, then can use face recognition for entry, using a push button for exiting. It is a perfect solution for gym members' entry and exit. Thanks for watching.